Hello, welcome to the Global Mindset University. I'm your host, Mohammed Kamal. On today's episode, I have invited Asharia Rashid. Asharia, welcome to the studio.
I'm so happy to be here.
Great. So, on today's episode, I think it's been a lot since we come to our audience, right? So, this is an episode number 6.
Episode number 6, part 2.
A lot to go. So Shadia has been ready to do this challenge. It's a loopy landscape. So I will give the floor to Shadia Rashid. Shadia, here's your floor.
Thank you.
Okay.
The first thing to do, we will start with the instructions. Use a variable for the x position. The x position is here. This looks from here. In this challenge, you'll use your knowledge about while loops to fill the canvas with a beautiful landscape. As a first step, make a new variable and use it for the x positions of the tree and grass images. We will start in here. We will make a variable. var, the name of the variable, let's make it x, equals 0. Now that you have your variable ready, use it for the x and position for both of the images. Here. So we would just copy this var x and paste it here. Var x and paste it. And then we're on the next step. The next one is use a while loop to change the x position. Start off by making a while loop that draws the tree and a grass. Make sure your variable starts close with the left edge of the canvas. Increment the variable so that each tree and grass patch is drawn close to the last. It should keep drawing while the x position variable is inside the canvas. Be careful with the conditions of your while loop and make sure you increment your variable properly inside. Otherwise, your while loop will run forever and ever and ever. That seems bad. Okay, now we use a while loop to change the x position. Oh, let's put it back to 200. Not 200, actually.
300?
Yes, let's make it around 250. Good. It's perfect.
How about a seaweed?
Let's make it 290.
Okay, 290.
Let's do it 260, actually.
Or
Good,
218?
Let's just do it 260.
218 will be a quiet.
Now we will make a while loop.
Ooh,
A while loop.
the magic in there. Guys,
Then you'll be
ready?
surprised to see all of them are laid out in the grass without just a little bit of code. Now the while loop, x is less than around here.
Okay.
That is where the y position is. Around the y position, it is about here. And we will use these brackets. Wait, here. Use these brackets and then just add these. And then it became like that. Now, a while loop is taking too long to run. Perhaps you have a mistake in your code. Let's see where. Here, while loop. While x is less than.
It must be that mouth.
Do you need the space over
yes,
there?
Yes, we do. You see in the hints code, it sees that.
Okay, we need space. Okay.
Probably that. Might need spaces.
Right.
Good, spaces.
Let's see up there.
Yes,
I have 2 spaces.
Oh, I know. I think I know why. The problem must be here. plus equals 560. Oh, and how much are you incrementing x by each time? Can you make it so there's no blue space between the images? No blue space. Okay, yes, no blue space. You might have needed to move this. Let's put it back to 5. Whoa, that looks a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, 67.
Yeah.
68.
78. 90. And now you've completed the challenge.
Awesome. So when you put x plus equals 90, so the increment, then you got how many?
That
1,
means
2, 3,
that
4,
means it
5.
would be all
Okay.
spaced out 90%.
Okay. Okay.
90 steps or
90
something.
steps for each. Yeah.
You have
Awesome.
you guys have officially completed challenge called a loopy landscape.
Loopy landscape. Awesome. Thank you so much, Shadia. It was really beautiful to see that. All right, guys. So if you have any questions related any programming, you can send us an email
Or you could tell us, or you
on the
could
comment below.
yeah, on the comment below.
That works. Thank you. Have a good